In America, there are two classes for travel, first class and with children. An Englishman does not travel to see Englishmen. Traveling is seeing, it is the implicate that we travel by. I love to not work, I like to travel. I work maybe half the year, no more. I usually travel with a lot of people like my dad, mom, and sisters. I go to work for my hero and travel with him on a regular basis. It does not get much better than that for a job. I don't really desire things. I prefer to spend my money on experience, on meals or travel. A journey by sea and land 500 miles is not undertaken without money. The gift of sobriety is clarity and a sense of connection, and travel only enhances that. I wanted to have the opportunity to travel to Vietnam and Sydney and have the chance to work there. I have missed the association with players and coaches but have not missed the recruiting and the travel.